In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Afterpay on Uber Eats. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer or mobile device and go to Uber Eats.com. Once the website loads, make sure you're signed in to the correct account and ready to place your order. It's always a good idea to double check your delivery address and the restaurant you're ordering from before moving forward so everything is set up properly from the beginning. Next, add the items you want to order and place them into your checkout basket summary drawer. As you build your order, take a moment to review the contents of your basket carefully. Make sure the quantities, meal choices, and any customizations are correct. This is important because once you move into the payment stage, you'll want your order total to reflect exactly what you intend to purchase. If needed, you can remove items or adjust your selections before continuing. After your basket looks right, move to the checkout area and find the payment row configuration block options list. This is the section where Uber Eats allows you to review and change how you want to pay. Click into that payment options area so you can see the available methods. Depending on your device, this may appear as a row, a menu, or a selectable payment panel, but the goal is the same. Open the payment method choices connected to your order. From there, select Afterpay from the third-party payment provider grid. If it appears among the available payment services, choose it to continue. Be sure you're selecting the correct provider before moving on, especially if several payment options are displayed on the screen. Once Afterpay is selected, Uber Eats should begin redirecting you into the connected payment flow. At that point, follow the secure checkout portal connection prompts to verify your installment plan. This step is where you'll confirm the payment arrangement directly through the secure portal. Read each screen carefully, review the installment terms, and complete any verification that's required. It's best to take your time here so you fully understand the schedule and total before finalizing the setup. Once the verification is complete, you'll be ready to continue through checkout with Afterpay connected to your order. If anything doesn't look right during the process, go back and review your basket total and payment selection before confirming. That's how to use Afterpay on Uber Eats quickly and smoothly.